So it's early morning. We're headed
Early morning. It's like 5 in the morning, huh? It's crazy. Way too early. Kylie says, no, I want to go back to bed. Nope, she's awake. She's excited.
And we're gonna go to the desert to go. Maybe go drive in a trophy truck. So we'll see you guys there. We're unloading right now. I'm excited to go watch the trophy trucks and go see some abandoned buildings.
You should be able to hear Mark now, okay? All right, Kaden, you ready? So what was that like?
It was really fun.
Yeah? Do you drive that fast in your mini dwarf?
It didn't feel like it was driving that fast.
No? Could you see over the dash? No? It's hard to see? Did it feel like a lot of fun though? Is that what you want to do? You want to get one of those and drive one of those when you're older?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right.
So I'm really excited to check out this abandoned gas station because we just got done from testing the trophy truck and I can't wait to explore this thing. Let's go check it out.
Come on, I want to see some excitement. Let's go check this out. This is awesome. Awesome. wall is made out of rocks.
Yeah.
Look at that. We could build a wall like that at home. There's Christmas lights hanging up on
That
here.
means they got really big Christmas.
Oh man.
What's that noise?
Gonna use the bathroom.
Hey, a seat. Oh, it was going upstairs. Like that. I don't know what this used to be.
Kendall, what did somebody draw on the wall? What is that? Is that a snowman? What's the snowman's name? What's the guy's name from Elsa? What's the snowman's name?
Krista? Olaf.
Olaf. Is that Olaf? That's like Olaf's brother.
Hey, he doesn't have legs.
No, he doesn't have any legs, huh? All right, there's one more. Let's go see. Well, this used to be the gas station right there, Kaden. The gas pumps used to sit right here. And then the car would pull in right here and get gas. And then those were the garages where they would work on the cars. You see that?
Sweet.
This was the garage where you could come and get your car worked on.
We just cleaned up and
Oh, look, it's SpongeBob. Right there, someone drew SpongeBob on the wall.
Oh yeah. Hey, a bucket in there. This used to be the office. Hey. Oh yeah, there's a bucket in there. So we can find this bunch here, and we're gonna go drive around in our Chevy Express and go maybe find another cool thing.
What's that? Hayden, check this out.
Chuck Taylor.
You wanna go? You wanna go in there? Climb in there and poke your head up to the top. Come on.
I'm driving a flying saucer. I do not have my pilot's license.
Hayden, come on.
Get a size bigger.
Come on. Dude, we're in the flying saucer. Kendall, you wanna come in the flying saucer with me? Come on, stand up on the... Yeah! Get it in! How long have you lived here? To the sun. Take the power of the sun into the rock for the sun. What do you think of this, Kylie?
Oh, this is good. But hey, there's Star, and that's Nova, and this is Coyote, and this is what your little baby rock is gonna grow up to be like. That's a baby space alien you got. Now later on, he'll grow his arms out and his legs, kind of like a tadpole in a frog pond. You know what I mean? So take good care of your rock, and when you get home, have Dad give you a good Sharpie and then draw the eyes in better for you and your brothers. rock.